Today, we will see the episode 2 of class 10, that is electricity. The component of an electric circuit which is used to regulate the current, without changing the voltage from the source, is called variable resistance. Rheostat is a device which is used in a circuit to provide variable resistance. Resistance in a conductor depends on nature, length and area of cross-section of the conductor. Resistance, R, is directly proportional to the length of the conductor. This is the cause that long electric wires create more resistance to the electric current. Resistance R is inversely proportional to the area of cross-section, A, of the conductor. This is the cause that thick copper wire creates less resistance to the electric current. Thus, resistance, R, is proportional to 1 by area of cross-section of conductor, A, or, R is proportional to L by A. From equations 1 and 2, R is proportional to L by A. This gives R equals to ρ into L by A, where ρ is the proportionality constant. It is called the electrical resistivity. From equation 2, R into A equals to ρ into L. This implies ρ equals to R into A by L, since the SI unit of resistance is ohms. Therefore SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. Materials having a resistivity in the range of 10 raised to -8 ohm meter to 10 raised to -6 ohm meter are considered as very good conductors. The resistivity of materials varies with temperature. We can arrange more than one resistors to get desired resistance by two combinations. That is in parallel and in series. When resistors are joined from end to end, it is called in series. In this case, the total resistance of the system is equal to the sum of the resistance of all the resistors in the system. Let 3 resistors R1, R2, and R3 get connected in series. Potential difference across A and B equal to V. Potential difference across R1, R2 and R3 equals to V1, V2 and V3. Current flowing through the combination equals to I. V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. According to Ohm's law, V1 equals to IR1, V2 equals to IR2 and V3 equals to IR3. Let total resistance equals to R into S, then V equals to IRS. From equations 1, 2 and 3, IRS equals to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3. This implies RS equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is our formula for series of resistance. Thank you, have a nice day.